Hello, eighth grade. We are jumping into lesson 6 today, which is actually your mid-unit 2 assessment. So today you're going to take the assessment where you're going to be presented with a new research question. You're going to use the skills you've learned to answer questions and fill in a graphic organizer with your research findings. Before we do that, you've got an entrance ticket for today. This is on page 113 in your workbooks. So this is one of the self-reflection entrance tickets. So it's asking you to look at a strength area on your last assessment and one area that you can reflect on for growth. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video now, work to fill this out. This is entirely for you and you alone, and then come back to me when you're ready to move forward. Okay, guys, so we have one learning target for today, and that is I can conduct research to answer a new question about food choices and sustainability. Excuse me, that was a lot. All right, so in this assessment, you're going to be presented with a new research question, and that question is going to say, how might climate change contribute to a food shortage? You're going to use the skills you've developed to answer questions and fill in a graphic organizer with research findings. Your teacher might want to pull up these two anchor charts. Close readers do these things and strategies to answer selected response questions. Remember, you are working to become an effective learner. So what does perseverance look like and what does it sound like? So perseverance looks like you keep trying even when it's hard. And what does it sound like? You might ask a teacher for help, okay? All right, guys. So I'm going to ask that now you go ahead, your teacher goes ahead and pause the video. You guys are going to work to take the assessment. Once you're done, come back to me because we have one more activity to close out the lesson. So good luck on your assessment. Come back to me when you're finished. I'll see you guys in just a little bit. All right, guys. So now that you're finished with your assessment, you're going to go to the track progress research note catcher. Yeah, I guess we could call it that rubric. So this is on page 114 through 116 in your workbooks. Okay. Your teacher is going to help you through completing this, but basically you're going to track how you're doing through your research. So how am I doing? Write the number of each standard on a sticky note or a flag. And then in your own writing, place each sticky note in an area that shows evidence that you've met that criteria. Be honest, guys. Remember, this is reflection. So you need to look inward and be honest. Am I doing this effectively? What am I doing well? And what could I use some improvement on? So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I'm going to let you guys work through this track progress note catcher for the rest of class, and I'll see you guys soon in lesson 7.